So again, with this question, it is not just a flat out rule that you have here. There is no simplification. And so then, because there's not a rule, there's no simplification, you go into your u sub. And when you think about your u sub, the key thing that you have to remember is that whatever you pick for u, the derivative of u needs to be in the integral. Okay? So if you look at the derivative of 4t squared, that's not going to give you a tangent inverse. So instead, you are going to pick that your u is equal to tan inverse of 2t. Now, we do have to be a little careful about this because this brings up our Calc 1 derivative rule. So when you do this, you have a chain rule type of situation. So what you'll do is you'll have 1 plus 2t quantity squared. So that's like your 1 over 1 plus u squared. But then you also have u prime in the numerator. And the u prime here is this 2t. So you'd have 2 in the numerator. So this is your du. Your du is equal to 2 over 1 plus 4t squared. Okay? So we have to try to take our u and our du and sub them into that integral. Okay? So if you look at this, the tan inverse of 2t, all that, and maybe I'll write it down here. So we have tan inverse of 2t, and then dt, of course, and then over 1 plus 4t squared. Okay, let me not lose the little dt here. All right, so what's going to happen is you have your u as tan inverse of 2t. So all of this is going to get replaced as u. And then your dt and your 1 plus 4t squared, that's going to be part of your du. However, you will notice you don't have the 2. And so because you do not have the 2, you have to multiply in by a 2 and then divide by a 2. So in order to really get du completely there, you do have to multiply in by a little 2 and then divide by that 1 plus 4t squared. All this highlighted quantity becomes your du. So you will have the du, but you will also have this 1/2 that comes from the fact that you had to multiply in by 2. Okay? So now everything is replaced in terms of u, and so now you can do the whole add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent, and add your plus c. So that gives you u, which again, as we defined up above, is tan inverse of 2t quantity squared, and then all over 4 plus c. And so this is your final answer.